respected sir and my classmates. So here we present about the final competitions about the Digital India project, and also we celebrate the 69th Independence Day today. So in our country, so it's a very proud moment to our. So our first slide about the Independence Day. So I and my friends and my classmates also are celebrate the Independence Day with you in the city in Limited. Next slide.
You write in section.
So today is the Independence Day. So it's our proud. It's our nation's proud. So I salute those for our country for the next level to entrance our country, entrance our India in the high position of India to freedom of this movement. So I salute those people, those who the army, who the salute for the Indian, who are Indians, because we are the Indians. We are proud to be called as an Indian in our country. So with me, this mic team, we are from BN56 batch number. With me,
Sir. Hello sir, myself Surdalas.
Good morning everybody, myself Silachu Bhomik.
All are there, all are equally important.
Myself Vishnu Mandal.
and myself Gaurav Mujumdar. I am the administrator of this.
Very good, start.
So this is a video of this our country who are fought for the next level, and the main department of the country for the fought our country, and also fight every way in our country for the border in the Indian government. Sir, we salute this soldier because they are the main soldiers in our country. So this is our Independence Day 69, and after this we started our presentations about the Digital India. So this is our presentation slide, first slide about the Digital India. You can see a program to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. Because in Digital India, our Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of our India, the launch time, he said that this benefit, this investment of Digital India is to invest 4.5 lakh crore rupees to digitalize this India and digitalize the whole nation of country, and utilize this money to using to make smartphones and network devices in a cheap rate and affordable rate for the nations and for this citizen. So in this country, we use that Digital India. Some people and some other countries also involved in their CEOs, and also the India's biggest group, the Birla groups, also invest 700 crore rupees for this Digital India concept. So this is Digital India, and also I think it will be the make Digital India, making India and design for India. Sir, this is a video of Digital India concept. How is this process and how is this the components of Digital India are there? It's a huge project. It's a huge project. Last Monday, the MI smartphone company are introduced in Indian company. The Chandrababu Naidu, the chief minister, also called that it's a huge investment from the MI brand who involved in India to make smartphones with this country's investments. So, what is Digital India? Digital India is a Digital India program to prepare India to knowledge future with technology and digitalized with country for the nations, mainly urban people and rural people also, because the rural people does not know what is the Digital India. Our Prime Minister using a project Jan Dhan Yojana for making the woman installment and also a bank credit card and also debit card bank locker 5,000 rupees and also 500 rupees to make Digital India project a new level. And this way the Digital India project fully countryized in this Digital India project. And in focus the program pulls together many exciting schemes. These schemes will be restructured and focused many elements and also prepared involvement and minimal and mainly the umbrella program. Umbrella program means all the things are in this project. All the things, all IT based, e-commerce, e-banking, e-hospital are all things are involved in this project, in this Digital India. Because we always call it, India is not a great country. India is not, because it's our shame. It's our country. We are proud of this India. So this program will level high to India as a country of this. Next slide. So,
Okay, so
this is the vision of Digital India and also the utility.
So there is a three key areas that digital infrastructure as a utility to every citizens, digital empowerment of citizens, and governance and services on demand. There is some tasks in Digital India vision on Digital India that are first of all interrogate the farmers in with the digital technology in rural areas. Con
communicate with this some projects with shareable and mainly the Wi-Fi project, because in this Jetkin group we are always digitalized connect the biometric processes, the Wi-Fi connection, the network ability, the network devices, we are always connected digitalized. But it's a huge problem because the digital infrastructure is a utility for the rural area. Mainly, sir, urban people are we are great people, but the rural people are the farmers. They did not know, their boys and girls did not know what is the Digital India. So it's a huge problem because I think the rural people are connected with this project. It's a huge project for us. Next slide. So lastly, I said that the Wi-Fi connection, high-speed availability, the vision area infrastructure as a utility every citizen, high-speed internet as a core utility, mobile phone and banking. Because we are always at use in this time mobile phone. Mobile phone are the main accessories behind the laptops because we use tablets and also and safe and cyber security, because the cyber security in India is not protected, but in USA are always digitalized that USA are the best and India is the less. So it's a better project. Next slide.
So, with you can see that the estimated cost and impact overall cost of digital India. It's 1 lakh crore in ongoing scheme and 13,000 crore new scheme and activities. Here you can see impact of digital India by 2019. Digital inclusion 1.7 crore training and IT sector, and job what is necessary that job creation. There is direct job 1.7 crore and indirect one 8.5 crore. It's a huge creation. It's a huge project that we can make that our citizen is sure future.
So over 10 crore people will be getting jobs.
Yes, sir. Sir, one thing you can see that 1.7 job, 1.7 crore, and also 2.5 lakh villages in universal phone connectivity with broadbands. It's a huge market in India. Because after this project, it will be called a better, because the Digital India project in progressing mode until the month of November 2015. Completed in 2019, and then it is called the 2020 when is
So 10 crore more job by 2020 will be there.
2020 is there. So I think it's a huge change in
It's
our
a good
country.
input for our team also to remember this point. It's very important.
Next slide. So challenges we needed and changes we needed, because the changes we needed in also in India, because this Bidhannagar, this India, this Kolkata and Visakhapatnam are the IT hubs, because India is the main IT hub is Visakhapatnam, but not in Kolkata, not in Kolkata. Our Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee called that we use Kolkata as a IT hub. In this project, we can financial resource issues mostly structured around going programs, better focus and need some restrictions. And also the human resource issues. Human resource issues are also important because the labor are the main in our country. Labor are the main people. Labor are the main program. Program on this scale never convinced. So these challenges and changes needed with this Digital India project, and consideration issues need continent and effort, and few programs are being needed in future that are not decided in this moment. The future are there after this project. Next slide. Pillars, IT jobs, because the farmers' sons, the countryside, the urban people who are the jobless right now, they with this project they are in the IT field. Train people in smaller towns and villages. I think this is the best point. Train people in the smaller towns and villages for IT people, and they know that this is the future of India. IT and train services, delivery agents to run visible business. And the main thing, the telecom industry are also introduced in this, because the Airtel 4G connection invests 4.8 lakh crores rupees for this project, and also the Vodafone are also involved in this project. Next slide.
Connected device, 300 million users or messaging services, 40% and 40 to 50% of smartphone penetration, 900 million monthly app downloads, and 800 million annual marketing and commercial purchases.
So
there
this
is
will
a
be the
huge
future. This will be the future for our country. I think I support this Digital India concept because it's a huge change. Not for our mainly said rural peoples. They did not know what is the Digital India. I always support this. Next slide. So, sir, it's a slide about what is the different changes of
ग्लोबल फ्री
2020.
इंडिया की ओर एक पहल, नागरिकों का ऑनलाइन लॉकर, जहां उनसे जुड़े सारे महत्वपूर्ण कागजात एवं सरकारी रिकॉर्ड्स को वे और सरकार कर सकेंगे डिजिटली स्टोर किए गए इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स को वे कभी भी कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, डिजिटली साइन कर सकते हैं। नेशनल स्कॉलरशिप पोर्टल लेक, स्कॉलरशिप्स अनेक। अब कोई उद्यम विद्यार्थी नहीं रहेगा स्कॉलरशिप से वंचित, क्योंकि अब राज्यों और केंद्र की सभी स्कॉलरशिप योजनाएं मिलेंगी उन्हें एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पर ऑनलाइन। आवेदन, स्वीकृति और पेमेंट जैसी अनेक प्रक्रियाएं भी होंगी ऑनलाइन, और विद्यार्थियों की स्कॉलरशिप जाएगी सीधे उनके अकाउंट में। ई हॉस्पिटल, चिकित्सीय सुविधाओं का लाभ उठाना हुआ ऑनलाइन। सरकारी अस्पतालों की सुविधाएं होंगी और बेहतर। बिना कतारों में खड़े हुए मरीज अब रजिस्ट्रेशन, अपॉइंटमेंट, फीस का भुगतान, लैब रिपोर्ट्स और रक्त की उपलब्धता की जानकारी प्राप्त करने जैसी सारी प्रक्रियाएं ऑनलाइन कर सकेंगे। ई-साइन, डिजिटल साइनिंग, कहीं भी, कभी भी। अब भारत के नागरिक अपने डिजिटल डॉक्यूमेंट्स को कर सकेंगे डिजिटली साइन, आधार ऑथेंटिकेशन के द्वारा। डिजिटाइज इंडिया प्लेटफॉर्म, डिजिटल इंडिया का पहला कदम।
So this is the slide about what will be changes in the digital India. Next slide. So you can see digital India सबका विकास क्या होगा 2020 पर। देखिए एक कॉमिक्स है यहाँ पर। गली के गुंडे गुंडामी करते गुंडे हैं, बदमाशी करते थे, गली में मोहल्ले में मारपीट करते थे, but they will get job in the future. In 2020, they will be involved in the IT jobs also. So it's a shocking news for us, and also it's a digital India project. What are we using the name and also the in future and also
There is a total population 1,256 million and internet user 243 million and active social media user is 106 millions. And active mobile subscription is a huge 886 millions, and it's a past and future will be, you can imagine that what will be increasing.
because the 2015 are not published right now. After 2016 it will be published. Next slide. So we built Digital India. After this project we always support the Digital India because we think Digital India is a project. Let's upgrade our nation, let's create a new world, let's create a new country, the new India, the future India, with a project, with a country bank. I think I always support the Digital India. Always, we and my friends are always support. I think you also support Digital India with us. We build a nation, Digital India with us. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Very good.